Hey guys, so today we are unboxing more Superthings Rescue Force, and in case you're wondering, we got these from Co-op Ashbourne and Sainsbury's Ashbourne. So anyways, I don't think you need much context other than this is Super Series 10 anyways. First one, and it's Meganoid, that's his name. Yeah, he is a duplicate, unfortunately. Who's this? Oh, is it Silver? Ah, yes. What's his name? It's the rival of Hand Run. Super Strike, that's his name. Okay, next one. Where's the tear thing? I guess this one just doesn't have a tear thing. Death Venture. Nice. Whole silvers in a row. Oh, I think this is a double packet. Yeah, in case you don't know, in one of my other videos, I did find 2 Moon Arch Chaoses in the same bag. And it seems to be the same case this. Oh yeah, it's Misty Soup, but in the... Wait, no. Is it Misty Soup? I think it's Misty Soup. In the, other colour. Yeah. So, in case you do feel any doubles, if they're a double, they're both going to be the same one. Is this another double? I think it is. Okay, 2 of Dark Jocus. Okay. And the last one is it a double? I don't know. Anyway, we might just open it. It's Emperor Order! Is this the other ultra rare? Oh my gosh. He's cool. Okay, I guess we'll go with a review of what we got. Okay. 1 Mega Noise. 2 Dark Chocus. 2 Misty Soups. 1 Super Strike. And 1 Death Venture. And also Emperor Order. I'm really happy about this guy. He's so cool. Just so you get a nice look at him, there he is in all of his glory. Okay. I'll just show you the checklist in case you don't know. I wonder if they've corrected the drill max error yet. Because in case you don't know, if you look on the checklist, you'll notice that there's 2 drill max. At least there isn't the old one. I don't know if they've corrected it now. Nope, they have not. Okay, that's helpful. Anyways, I think that will be it for the video. Bye, guys!